Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to type automatic A to Z in Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, type automatic in the A to Z. Firstly, now click with the any row option. Now keyboard press from the equal and type for the user first bracket, type for the row first bracket plus 60 plus line 3 double 1. Now close the first bracket, then keyboard press from the control enter. That's okay. Now double click from the mark the position. That's okay. Then what is the bold? That's okay. Then we show the type automatic A to Z in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for